What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of skincare brand makeup, if that makes sense to you. Basically, I'm taking skincare brands that have made makeup and using that and applying it all to my skin. So if you're interested in seeing me apply all of this makeup onto my skin from these skincare brands, then keep watching. So, I am going to be trying on this makeup. There's not much, honestly. So this is probably going to be a really quick video, which never really happens. But anyway, I'm going to put my hair back because we all know that my hair just gets in my way, so why bother keeping it in my face? So we're going to put that back. So moving on. First thing I'm going to use is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So this isn't really considered makeup, but I always use it before my makeup. I never really use it afterwards, but today we are because I don't have any other setting sprays that are from skincare brands. So this mist, I love the smell of watermelons. It's so good. And also I just love how fine it is. And when they say ultra fine mist, they mean it. It is extremely fine. It's a really good product. So I'm just gonna let that dry and I'm going to apply my primer. The primer I'm going to use today is from Ole Henriksen. So you guys may know Ole Henriksen as the brand who basically sells skincare, like all of these brands. And they sell a lot of really great products for both oily skin, dry skin. They have really good products with active ingredients in them. Honestly, I really love a lot of their stuff. I haven't been using a lot of it lately because I've been trying so many different skincare brands, but it's such a really great brand. I highly recommend you try it if you haven't done that. But this is the Banana Bright Face Primer. It has vitamin C in it and it smells like bananas. So I'm going to apply the Banana Face Primer to my skin. I don't remember if I've talked about this primer on my channel before, but this primer smells so good and it works really well. It honestly makes my skin feel very smooth, so I like it. It's a good primer. Okay, moving forward with foundation. Well, we're actually using a CC cream. So this is from the brand Supergoop. It is the Daily Correct CC cream with SPF 35, and I really like this product. The only thing is, unfortunately, the Fair Light is a little too light for me, and the light medium is quite dark. So I'm going to have to use my custom cover drops to darken this up a bit. It also does add some more coverage, which is nice. So I'm applying that to my skin. I love this stuff. I mean, even without the custom cover drops, you guys would be surprised at how much coverage this gives. I was surprised the first time I applied it. It's very good for a CC cream. And it's also a very lightweight product, which you guys know that I love, especially in the summertime. It just works really well for my skin, so love this stuff. Highly recommend it. Also, having SPF in my foundation during the summertime, it just adds to the party. It just makes everything perfect. Although I use SPF after my moisturizer, my skincare routine, I still always like to add more SPF on top because you can never have enough SPF, you guys. Say no to wrinkles. Moving on, this is the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. I bought this probably like a month ago when I was deciding to do this video. I had to buy a skincare brand concealer because I don't have one. I got it in the shade 2, which I believe is like a fair shade. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how well the shade will work for me, but we'll see. It's okay. It's a little more peachy than I would have preferred, but I think we can make it work. Now taking my beauty blender and blending that concealer in. Hopefully this is nice. I've heard good things about this concealer. I've never used it before. Obviously, it's brand freaking new for me, but I wanted to see how well it works. I believe I got it at Ulta, but I think Sephora sells it too. I'm not so sure. It's definitely more of like a light coverage, light medium coverage maybe concealer. I don't see that this is full whatsoever. Sometimes I don't mind that. Sometimes I just like a little bit of coverage. Yeah, the coverage on this is not very great. I'm still noticing dark circles galore and I'm not caring for it. And I don't usually notice dark circles very easily under concealer, so this one's gotta be pretty sheer. Yeah, we're still kind of dark, but I guess it is what it is. I can't make something work, unfortunately. Hey guys, so I'm going to take this Pacifica Cherry Velvet Matte Translucent Setting Powder. I haven't used this in a really long time. I wouldn't say Pacifica's a skincare brand, but I feel like they sell more skincare slash body care than they do makeup. So if I'm cheating here, I'm probably cheating here. I apologize if I'm cheating here. This powder is pretty white, but this sets everything flawlessly. I remember this powder and I don't know why I don't use it that much anymore because I really liked it. It's very fine and a lot of the powder flies all over the place, but it sets beautifully. That's the one thing I remember about this powder. It's a little bright, obviously, because it's not a tinted powder. It's completely white, but I don't know, it just sets so well. I find that a lot of white powders I've used, I've liked a lot because they do set your skin very well. I've tried the Givenchy one. I still have that in my collection too, and I've loved that. It works really well. So you can tell the coverage of this foundation slash concealer really isn't that wonderful. It's a very lightweight coverage, which, like I said, in the summertime, I don't mind. It doesn't really bother me. I think my skin looks pretty good right now. So we're actually going to go in with this Supergoop Shimmer Shade with SPF 30 in it. I never thought to have like a eyeshadow with SPF, but when you think about it, your eyelids do get fried under the sun too. So I'm just going to apply this over the powder. So this is really nice. It's just, this is a tough product to deal with sometimes. I've used this in the past. I do like it. It's a very nice shimmer, but because it's like a gel putty type product, it can sometimes be a little difficult to work with. I mean, it can make like your eyelids feel very sticky, and there was one day that this creased so bad. I don't even know if this is like, I don't think this is a popular product that Supergoop has. I bought it from Sephora a long time ago because I wanted to try it really bad and I thought it'd be great for the summertime, but I haven't even used it all summer. But then again, where have I been going? Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows now. Unfortunately, I did not have a brow product from a skincare brand, and I didn't find a brow product online that any skincare brand sells. So I just decided to use one that sells a lot of popular skincare. Glossier. This is the Brow Flick. So I'm going to use this to apply my brows, and I'll be right back. I look like Groucho Marx. No! No, 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 no. No. We're gonna move on, although we look... I'm going to go in with this Glow Skin Beauty contour palette. Glow Skin Beauty is not a very well-known brand, in my opinion, on the market. I feel like a lot of people do not know about this brand. I use some of their skincare items and I really like them. I think they're mainly skincare, but then they also sell makeup. I don't know if they're like jointly as much makeup as they are skincare, but in my personal opinion, I feel like they're known for skincare rather than makeup, I think. Anyway, we're gonna use this to bronze the skin. I'm going to dip into this shade here. I really like this contour palette, by the way. It works really well. The only bad thing is it doesn't have a mirror, and that's what annoys me. But other than that, it is a really nice palette. I also love using this Sonia Kashuk brush, which does not exist anymore, unfortunately. I think you could still find it on eBay, but people are trying to sell it for like, you know, an arm and a leg and your spleen. But, you know, I really like it. It's a good brush. I'm also going to go into the other shade now on the other side. And I'm going to use that to bronze up the forehead. I'm now going to take this Wet n Wild brush and just kind of blend out. I'm not putting any additional product on here. I just feel like this should be blended a little bit more because it's not that blended. Do you guys feel like it's not light enough in here? I feel like it's not bright enough and it's bothering me. I didn't even have regular like coffee today. I had matcha. I had matcha collagen and it has caffeine in it, so that's why I'm so, yeah, crazy. All right, I'm gonna put some product on this brush now and I'm gonna bring it down the neck because we ain't even over here. We're just not. We gotta bronze the neck. Bronze the neck. I really have to lay off the caffeine. Anyway, I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to dip into both of the bronzing shades here, because why not? And I am going to put this in my crease, even though I have the shimmer on already. I just feel like that will add a little bit of like depth to the eyes, make them a little nicer looking. And I think it won't make my brows look as dark and bad. Moving on, we are now going to apply some blush to the face. I'm going to use the Glow Skin Beauty Blush in Sandalwood. I've used this on camera before. It's a very nice blush. So we're just going to use this to apply the blush. Ooh, I kind of like that. I kind of like the way that applies. Kind of like an all over type situation. It's a very weird shape, but I kind of like that. It's a really nice blush. Personally, I really like it. Okay, so now for highlighter, I'm actually going to use this Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder. You can totally use this as a regular highlighter. I've done it plenty of times. But Soul Body is like a sister brand of ColourPop, and they sell all like body products. So maybe it's not skincare, but it's body care. Your skin is your body, it's skincare. So can't argue with me on this one. And it's so crazy and out there. It's very nice, I love it. It also smells really nice. It's a very beachy type scent. It definitely has a lot of glitter, but it's not total glitter. There's a lot of shimmer in it too. Preferably, I like shimmer more than glitter, especially for highlighters, but you know, we couldn't find a different highlighter from a skincare brand. I mean, that has a lot of shimmer. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Next, I'm going to do my mascara. So this is the Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. This is actually a great mascara. I was not expecting this when I tried this product. It's good. I will admit, it's a really good mascara. I was impressed. I was really impressed. It definitely volumizes your lashes. It definitely lengthens. Strengthening, I don't know, but it lengthens. Like, look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, I don't know if you can notice that in the camera, but yeah, I messed up. It is what it is. Next, we're gonna go in with the combo, the lip combo that I told you guys that I really liked in another video. I still love it. It's very, very good. Both from Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Precision Lip Pencil in the shade Natural, and then this is the lip gloss in the shade Secret Agent. They're both very, 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 very good. And then the lip gloss in Secret Agent, I'm going to apply right over it. All right, next I am going to use my spray, my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist to just set this look, and we'll be all done. Okay, and really quick, just to do a little bit of brightening around the eyes and hopefully to kind of get rid of some of the mascara we have that ran. And brighten up those under eyes a little bit. Okay, so unfortunately, I think the mascara is great, but I think it just runs really easily. And I've never dealt with that before. I don't know why that happens. It just got a little bit all over the place. I don't know, my unsteady hand or something, but overall, I actually really like the mascara normally. So what happened, I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, that is the completed look. And I have to say, I think that this is a really nice everyday makeup look. if you're just using some of these skincare brand makeup items. I mean, I honestly didn't think that this look would come out that nice, but I'm kind of impressed by it. The eyebrows don't look as bad as they did, which I feel like that happens to me every single time I do my makeup with the brow flick. I constantly feel like it's gonna look terrible because it gets so dark, but it winds up just flowing pretty well with the rest of my makeup. So anyway, guys, yeah, so that is the completed look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will also link everything down below in the description box, so if you want to pick anything up, you can definitely do that. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!